Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? I came across this really cool manifestation method, known as the whisper technique. Some of you might have heard of it before, but never tried it. This might be the one if you are trying to manifest a specific person, a job, a promotion, or anything that involves another person. It is because sometimes repeating affirmations feels blank. Although affirmations work, but to keep things interesting, you can use this manifestation method. You will eventually abandon the journey if you make it boring. To keep things interesting, just try it every day with different people in your life. You can do it only once, and it will give you massive results. In this video, I will show you how you can use this viral method on a specific person. To start, close your eyes or stare at an empty wall in front of you. Now start visualizing your specific person that you are manifesting. Picture them as if they are sleeping. Look at them clearly, observe their body, their face, some special markings such as birthmarks or moles or even tattoos that make them unique, and be sure that the person you are visualizing is them only. If you know what their bedroom looks like, then it's cool, but it's not necessary. Now start visualizing that you are in that room too with them. They are sleeping on the bed, and you are walking towards them. Come closer to their left ear and say to them what you want them to do. For instance, if you want them to call you, just say, "Call me, my love." Make sure to do this to their right ear as well. After doing it, just look at their innocent faces, kiss them, or just look at them with love. Do this with love, without any fear of if I am doing it right or wrong. You are doing it correctly. I remember I tried this whisper technique unconsciously and got success with it. This story is regarding a specific person that I had a few years ago. I gave her an ornament that she used to wear, but when things got rocky, she removed it. I wanted her to put it on the next time she saw me. I visualized standing on the back and saying to her to wear that ornament. The next time she met me, she was wearing that exact same ornament. Just try it. Try to keep manifestation fun. Don't be like, "Oh, he is talking about a technique. Techniques are a law of attraction stuff. How can he use the word technique?" Just stop it. The affirmations you are repeating are also a technique. The food you cook every day is also a technique of cooking. My job here is to make things easier and more fun. Being spiritual and mystic means opening up to oneness, expanding your vision and growing in your life. It doesn't mean you have to belittle another concept, thing, or person. In the end, the words you are using are just illusions. Everything is an illusion. The reality is God, awareness, I amness, and baby, I am doesn't refer to your body. It refers to awareness, consciousness. I hope this helps the naysayers. Try it out. It doesn't cost you anything but rewards you with something. Trust me, you will feel good doing it. It may be childish, but inside we are all children, carrying around loads of beliefs that don't serve us. What matters is how you feel inside. Only that matters, nothing else. I hope you found this video helpful, and if that is the case, do subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you tomorrow with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.